Hey, are you guys ready to go doggone RVing? Sit. Hey, look over here. Hi, and welcome to Doggone RV'n, Travels with My Girls. What is Doggone RV'n? Well, it's my travels with my girls. We have a 2008 Pleasureway Ascent, which I have had for just over a year now, and we have gone on 3 little expeditions from a week to a month and a half each, and I've learned quite a bit about living in an RV. Luckily, the girls took to it like ducks to water, so it's really been no problem at all. They love RVing, they love all the different places we visit, and I thought, why not start a YouTube so others can come along on our adventures. They're both very adventurous, and they're at sometimes too smart for their own good. They're 10 years old. Katie here, the border collie, is 1 month older than Sara, my Irish setter. But they have been excellent travel companions. My YouTube channel, I'm starting out, I hope will be both entertaining and interesting, and at times funny for those who come along with us and see where we go, what we find, and things that we uncover. So I want to thank all of you for tuning in, and please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll get my updated travel adventures with my girls. So I wish you all well, and I hope this is a start of a long, eventful, and fun journey together. Thank you. Take care.